I greatly appreciate your ongoing support as I continue to share valuable knowledge with you. If you find this information helpful, I kindly ask for your support by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. By subscribing, you'll receive more insightful content like this in the future. I also encourage you to leave a comment with any topics you'd like me to cover in my upcoming videos. Your feedback and suggestions are highly valued. Thank you for joining me, and let's dive right into today's discussion. In today's tutorial, we'll explore the powerful techniques of leveraging Facebook to grow your small business, regardless of whether you reside in a developed or developing country. The strategies we'll discuss are universally applicable, making this topic relevant and valuable for entrepreneurs worldwide. They're ready to unlock the potential of Facebook and propel your business to new heights. Let's jump right in and discover the game-changing tactics for business growth on this dynamic platform. Step 1. Set up a Facebook page for your business. Go to facebook.com and sign in with your account. Click on the Create button in the top right corner and select Page from the drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate category for your business and follow the prompts to fill in the necessary information, such as your business name, address, contact details, and a description. Step 2. Customize your Facebook page. Upload a professional and eye-catching profile picture and cover photo that represents your business well. It could be your logo or a high-quality image related to your products or services. Navigate to the About section of your page and provide a concise yet compelling description of your business, including what you offer and why people should choose you. Step 3. Publish engaging content. Start by sharing regular updates about your products, services, promotions, or any relevant news. Make sure to include quality visuals like images or videos to attract attention. Be creative and interactive. Post content that engages your audience, such as asking questions, running polls, or sharing behind-the-scenes stories of your business. Consider using Facebook Live to stream events, product demonstrations, or questions and answers sessions. Live videos tend to generate higher engagement and reach. Step 4. Build your audience. Invite your friends, family, and existing customers to like your page. This initial audience can help create a foundation for future growth. Utilize Facebook's targeting options to reach a broader audience. You can set parameters based on location, demographics, interests, or behaviors to ensure your content reaches people who are likely to be interested in your business. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on your page. Positive reviews can build trust and attract new customers. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and reviews promptly. Show genuine interest in what your audience has to say and provide helpful and friendly responses. Engage in conversations on your page by asking questions, soliciting feedback, or encouraging users to share their experiences. Consider running contests or giveaways to incentivize engagement and expand your reach. Just ensure you comply with Facebook's guidelines for promotions. Step 6. Utilize Facebook advertising. Facebook offers a range of advertising options to reach a wider audience. You can create targeted ads based on various factors such as location, demographics, interests, and behaviors. Stay tuned for an upcoming video where we'll delve into the exciting world of advertising on Facebook. Discover the ins and outs of effectively promoting your business, products, or services on this powerful social media platform. We'll provide you with all the essential tips, strategies, and insights you need to maximize your advertising efforts and reach your target audience. They're ready to unlock the potential of Facebook advertising and take your business to new heights. Keep an eye out for more details coming soon. Define your advertising goals, whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or generating leads. Facebook's Ad Manager provides tools and insights to help you optimize your campaigns. Set a budget that aligns with your business goals and monitor the performance of your ads. Adjust your targeting, add creative, or budget as needed to maximize your results. Step 7. Analyze and refine your strategy. Regularly review Facebook Insights, which provides data on your page's performance, audience demographics, and engagement metrics. Analyze this information to identify trends, understand what content resonates with your audience, and make informed decisions for future content and advertising strategies. Experiment with different types of content, posting schedules, and ad formats to find what works best for your business. Adapt your strategy based on the insights you gather. Remember, using Facebook to grow your small business requires consistent effort and a customer-centric approach. Stay engaged, listen to your audience, and provide value through your content and interactions. With time, dedication, and a solid Facebook strategy, you can leverage the platform to expand your reach, build brand awareness, and ultimately grow your business wherever you may be.